Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2019 Toyota Sienna LE. Now the most notable features on this LE is its power sliding rear doors, you have your heated front seats, and your backup camera. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2019 Toyota Sienna LE. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LE is its daytime running lights. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you'll see your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And I'm just going to show you really quickly just what your second row is going to look like. So as you can see, you have your two seats in the second row, and then you have the 60-40 split for your third. And I'll show you a little bit later on just how much space you have in the back there. As you can see in the third and second row windows, you have the sunshade visors, which is nice because you can block out some of that sun just when you're going on those trips. The button to close the door will just be located on the inside of the pillar there. And parents, if you're worried about your kids or possibly yourself getting your hand or arm jammed to the door, it has the jam protection feature, so in the event that the door does sense there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up automatically. And if you want to close it from the outside, just pull on the handle once more and it will close for you automatically. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black. And taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats. As you can see, you have your gray cloth interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Over on the left hand side, you have your traction control on and off. On the inside of your driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, taking a closer look just at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So as you can see, you do have your volume control, seek function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth, scroll function for your multi-informational display with your lane departure alert and cruise control. Now, taking a closer look just at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on there. So if we scroll through here, you have a digital speedometer with a distance to empty, fuel economy, and then you can also go through your audio with the lane departure alert, messages, and your settings menu with the ECT power, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, taking a closer look just at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if you go inside the menu screen, you're going to find your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. With the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, which allows you to stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Now, it is compatible with, well, as you can see down below, you have your Sirius XM satellite radio, and you do have your hazard lights with the temperature control settings just located down below, with your rear temperature controls located at the very bottom. Now, it's mounted to an automatic transmission, heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, USB and auxiliary input, and your power outlets. Taking a look up top, you have your auto-dimming rearview mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass, and then you'll find the open and close for the power sliding rear doors. SOS Safety Connect, so in the event that you're in a collision or you're unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away just to make sure you're okay. Taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back of your tailgate, you'll see your backup camera just located on the far left-hand side here, and your rear hatch release located just underneath your Sienna emblem. Now, if we close in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for your third row, and as you can see, you have this additional seat here that's actually for the second row, so if you aren't using it, you can just store it in the back here, but if you are using it, you can actually use it as additional cargo space for yourself. Now, if you're wondering how the seats fold or unfold, the instructions are located just on the back of the seat there, just so that if you forget, they're right there for you. You have the power outlet located on the right hand side. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.